Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick review. Okay, I'm going to break these up into 4 parts, so I'm going to do each part separately. The first part is we're going to be solving equations by graphing. So for this, the first thing we got to do, we're going to start with number 1, is we look at each equation and see if they're in slope-intercept form. So we're going to start with number 1 here. So that equation is not in slope-intercept form. We're going to have to put it in slope-intercept form. So we have -2 is equal to -2/7 x minus 2/7 y. Now from here, we are going to solve this for y. So we could do this a couple different ways. I'm gonna add 2/7. Actually, no, I'm not. We're gonna add 2/7 x to both sides. You could do it either way. Both ways work. It just depends whatever your preference is. So we have 2/7 x minus 2 is equal to -2/7 y. To get rid of a fraction, we need to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, so that'd be -7/2. From here, we distribute. That right there cancels and cancels, so we get -x, and then we multiply there. We get -7 times -2, which is +14 divided by 2 is 7, is equal to y. So here we have our slope-intercept form. Our y-intercept is 7, and our slope is -1, so it goes down 1, right 1. And so we're going to go ahead and draw in our line. Now for the second equation, we're going to look at that one. It is also not in slope-intercept form. To put this one in slope-intercept form, we need to divide everything by -1. So we get y is equal to -x minus 1. So y-intercept -1, slope is down -1, so down 1, right 1. And then we're able to draw in our line. Oh, that was really bad. Let me fix that. So in this problem, since they are parallel, we have no solution. Now we're going to go ahead and look at number 2. So for number 2, we're going to start with the first equation. -2 is equal to -y. So that is not ready for us to look at. We're going to have to divide everything by -1. So we get 2 is equal to y. So that's going to be the horizontal line at y equals 2. Now we're going to look at the second equation, which is also not in slope-intercept form. So we're going to put that in slope-intercept form by adding 7x to both sides. We get y equals 7x minus 5. Y-intercept is -5. And then our slope is 7/1. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/1. And there we go. We can draw our line. And so now our solution, we find that by looking for the intersection point. So in this case, it's going to be 1, 2. For number 3, we're going to start with first equation, not in slope-intercept form yet again. So here we need to start by taking and moving this to the other side. So we would do that by subtracting 5x on both sides. So we get y equals -5x plus 1. Y-intercept of 1 goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. And I'm going to put a point going the other way too, just so we know where we're at. Ooh. So that's our first line. Now we're going to look at the second equation. So the second one is actually already in slope-intercept form. It's just flipped backwards. That right there is the same as y is equal to 2x plus 8. Y-intercept is 8. We go up 1, right 1, or up 2, right 1. We can draw our line. One of my lines is off. I'm just gonna, I think it's my blue one. So 1, and it goes up, oh, that's what it is. It's a negative slope, not a positive slope. So it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 1. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 1. Go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 1. Okay, that was my problem. I just had it going as a positive slope, not a negative one. So we're gonna redraw that. Here we go. Close enough. Now we can do the other one. Y-intercept of 8, up 1, up 2, right 1. There we go. And our intersection point is located here at the point -1, 6. Now we're going to look at number 4. For number 4, we're going to start with the first equation, already in slope-intercept form, so we're good to graph that. So we go to -2, and then our slope is -7/2, so that means we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, 2. If I want to put a point going the other way, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left 1, 2. So that's our first line. Now we're going to look at our second one, which this is it. So what we're going to do is we are going to divide this by -6 everywhere. We get y is equal to, we can simplify 21 over 6 by taking out a 3 out of both, and we'll get -7/2. And then 48 divided by 6 is -8. Oops, don't forget our x. So our y-intercept is at -8. Then our slope is -7/2, so that'd be down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can't keep going, so we're going to go backwards. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left 1, 2. And then I'm going to fix that. I just drew it bad. There we go. These lines have the same slope, so that means they're parallel, so it would be no solution. Now we're going to go ahead and look at question 5. So both of these will not in slope-intercept form, so we're going to start with this one. To put it in slope-intercept form, I need to solve for y. So I need to move this to the other side. I would do that by adding 18 to both sides. So we get -2y is equal to 18, or -x plus 18. Divide everything by -2. We get y equals +1/2 x minus 9. Y-intercept is at -9, and our slope is 1/2, so it goes up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. And that is our graph. Now we're going to look at the second equation. Our second equation is x minus 18 minus 2y. We have two options here. We could take and move both of those to the other side, or we could just move the y to the other side. So let's do that. I'm going to add 2y to both sides, and we get x minus 18 equals -2y, or +2y, not negative. I'll scribble that out. Come on. There it goes. This usually erases it. Here we go. Because we had to add on both sides. So we're divide everything by 2. 1/2 x minus 9 equals y. You notice that is the exact same thing as that. Those are the same line. So if we wanted to show the graph, we could just draw little continuations of that line. You can also show that the points are the same. And so that means there is infinite solutions because they are the same line. All right, now we're going to look at number 6. So for number 6, our first equation there is not in slope-intercept form, so we need to start by moving that 3 to the other side. So we're going to do that by subtracting 3 on both sides. So we get -y equals -x minus 3. Divide everything by -1. Y is equal to x plus 3. We're going to go graph that. Slope is 1/1. So our graph should look about like this. Now we're going to do the same thing for the second equation. So that one, it's almost solved. We just have to divide everything by -1, which will be y is equal to x plus 3, which again, same line. So that means there are infinite many solutions. And that is how to solve a system of equations by graphing.